We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the HOTOR Trunk Organizer. Sturdy foldable with cooler for car and SUV, with 3 compartments in black measuring 30.90 by 12.60 by 10.63 inches. If you own this product, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, so be sure to use it to support the channel. The HOTOR Trunk Organizer stands out as an extra-large storage solution for vehicles, offering a total capacity of up to 92 liters. This includes 3 main compartments and 8 additional pockets, as well as a detachable, insulated cooler bag. The organizer is designed to help users maintain a tidy and well-organized trunk, whether for daily commutes, grocery runs, road trips, or outdoor adventures. Users consistently highlight the ample space provided by the 3 main compartments, noting that each can accommodate 2 to 3 bags of groceries, sports gear, tools, and other everyday items. The additional mesh and side pockets further enhance organization, allowing for easy storage of smaller objects that might otherwise roll around in the trunk. A key feature that receives widespread praise is the detachable cooler bag. With a capacity of 23 liters, this cooler is both leak-proof and insulated, making it ideal for keeping drinks and food cool or warm during travel. Many reviewers mention using the cooler for impromptu grocery trips, picnics, or even on golf carts, appreciating its ability to be used independently or folded away when not needed. The flexibility of the cooler bag adds a layer of versatility that sets the HOTOR Organizer apart from more basic trunk storage options. Durability is another area where the HOTOR Trunk Organizer earns high marks. Constructed from tough Oxford cloth and reinforced with strong stitching at high wear points, the organizer is built to withstand frequent use and heavy loads. The thickened base panel and sturdy handles contribute to its robust feel, and users report that it stays in place even when the vehicle is in motion. Several reviews specifically mention that the organizer is much sturdier and more reliable than makeshift solutions like laundry baskets, which often slide around or tip over. The adjustable design is frequently cited as a major advantage. With side Velcro strips, the organizer can be resized to fit different trunk spaces, from a full 3-compartment layout to a fully folded, compact form. This adaptability means it can be used in a wide range of vehicles, from compact cars to large SUVs, and even in unconventional spaces like the back of a golf cart. Users appreciate being able to expand or contract the organizer based on their current needs, making it suitable for both everyday use and special occasions. Ease of use is another strong point. The organizer's layout, with 3 main compartments, 6 elastic mesh pockets, and 2 side pockets, offers clear visibility and quick access to stored items. Users note that it is easy to pack and unpack, and the compartments prevent items from shifting during transit. The ability to quickly locate and retrieve items without rummaging through a cluttered trunk is a recurring theme in positive reviews. In terms of aesthetics, the HOTOR Trunk Organizer is generally described as sleek and unobtrusive. Its black color and rectangular shape blend well with most vehicle interiors, and the overall appearance is considered neat and professional. Some users mention that it looks significantly better than improvised storage solutions, contributing to a more organized and visually appealing trunk space. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, a few users have noted concerns about sturdiness. While the majority praise the organizer's build quality, there are isolated reports of the product not being as sturdy as expected, particularly when heavily loaded or used in larger vehicles. However, these comments are in the minority, and most users find the organizer to be sufficiently robust for typical use cases. Another minor drawback mentioned is the potential for the organizer to take up significant trunk space when fully expanded. For owners of smaller vehicles, this can require some adjustment or creative placement to ensure that the organizer does not interfere with other cargo. Nevertheless, the adjustable design helps mitigate this issue, allowing users to customize the size to fit their specific needs. The HOTOR Trunk Organizer is also praised as a thoughtful gift. Several reviewers mentioned purchasing it for family members, such as a son-in-law, who were reportedly thrilled with its quality and utility. The inclusion of the insulated cooler bag is often highlighted as a particularly appreciated feature, adding extra value and functionality to an already versatile product. From a technical perspective, the organizer is made from polyester, with a rectangular shape and a finish type described as unfinished. It weighs just over 3 pounds, making it easy to handle and reposition as needed. The product is manufactured by HOTOR and carries the model number US 11052. It is currently ranked highly in the automotive category, with a bestsellers rank of number 11 in trunk organizers and an average customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars based on over 370 reviews. The organizer's ability to keep items from rolling around in the trunk is frequently mentioned as a significant benefit. Users who previously relied on less effective storage methods, such as loose bins or baskets, report a noticeable improvement in trunk organization and overall vehicle cleanliness. The secure compartments and pockets ensure that groceries, sports equipment, emergency supplies, and other essentials remain in place, reducing the risk of spills or damage during transit. The detachable cooler bag is especially popular among users who enjoy outdoor activities or need to transport perishable items. Its leak-proof and waterproof construction provides peace of mind, and the insulation keeps contents at the desired temperature for extended periods. The fact that the cooler can be used separately or stored within the organizer adds to its practicality, making it suitable for a variety of scenarios, from family road trips to solo outings. Many reviewers appreciate the organizer's flexibility, noting that it can be used not only in car trunks, but also in back seats, front seats, or even outside the vehicle. This versatility makes it a valuable addition for anyone seeking to maximize storage and organization, regardless of vehicle type or lifestyle. In terms of setup and maintenance, the HOTOR Trunk Organizer is described as straightforward to assemble and easy to clean. The durable materials resist stains and wear, and the organizer can be wiped down or spot cleaned as needed. The folding mechanism is intuitive, allowing users to quickly adjust the size or collapse the organizer for storage when not in use. Customer service and satisfaction appear to be strong points for the HOTOR brand. Several users mentioned that they would buy the product again or recommend it to others, citing positive experiences with both the product and the company. The high average rating and consistent praise for quality, functionality, and value suggest that the HOTOR Trunk Organizer meets or exceeds the expectations of most buyers. In summary, the HOTOR Trunk Organizer with cooler for car and SUV offers a compelling combination of storage capacity, durability, flexibility, and convenience. Its 3 large compartments, multiple pockets, and detachable insulated cooler bag provide ample space and organization for a wide range of items. The sturdy construction and adjustable design make it suitable for various vehicles and use cases, while the sleek appearance and easy setup enhance its overall appeal. While there are occasional concerns about sturdiness under heavy loads, the vast majority of users report a positive experience, noting significant improvements in trunk organization and vehicle cleanliness. The product's popularity and high customer ratings further reinforce its status as a top choice in the automotive storage category. If you are looking for a reliable, versatile, and well-designed trunk organizer that can help keep your vehicle tidy and your belongings secure, the HOTOR Trunk Organizer is a strong contender. Its combination of large storage capacity, practical features, and thoughtful design make it a valuable addition to any car or SUV. Don't forget to check the link in the description to learn more or make a purchase, and please share your own experiences in the comments to help others make informed decisions.